This is Alice Cooper's home in Phoenix. He bought it for $90,000 in 1972 with his first official rock star paycheck. Situated on 2 hillside acres in the Goldwater Estates community with views of southeast Camelback Mountain. This former 2,000 square foot cinderblock home has been expanded and modernized over the years. In the late 1980s, the Coopers completely remodeled the house, expanding the structure's footprint to 5,000 square feet. Known as the godfather of shock rock, Alice is famous for using boas in her stage performances. So pay homage to the snake with this large mural in front of Cooper's house. His studio is also a rec room, complete with a pool table, a limited edition Alice Cooper Nightmare Castle pinball machine, and even a projection screen where the family enjoys watching movies. Cooper and his wife Cheryl have no plans to move. The house has a lot of history for them, having raised their 3 children and having 4 grandchildren in the house. Do you like Cooper's stage performance?